Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of adding cinnamon to your daily diet. You might be surprised to learn that this common spice is packed with powerful health benefits that can enhance your well-being. In this video, we'll explore how cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, boost your metabolism, and even improve heart health. We'll also discuss simple ways to incorporate this aromatic spice into your meals and snacks. Making small dietary changes, like adding cinnamon, can have a significant impact on your overall health. So, stick around as we uncover the amazing advantages of this delightful spice and how it can transform your daily routine. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos, and also check out my #1 go-to guide to keeping my body functioning optimally. And for those with celiac disease is the gluten-free lifestyle. Cinnamon is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a powerhouse of essential nutrients. This aromatic spice contains vital vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, calcium, iron, and manganese. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health, while calcium and iron are essential for strong bones and oxygen transport in the body. Manganese, on the other hand, supports metabolism and antioxidant defenses. By incorporating cinnamon into your daily meals, you not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also boost your nutrient intake. This simple addition can contribute significantly to your overall health, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. Antioxidants are compounds that help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to cell damage and various chronic diseases. Cinnamon is rich in powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which play a vital role in reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, potentially lowering the risk of conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Several studies have shown that cinnamon can significantly increase antioxidant levels in the body. For instance, research indicates that cinnamon extract can enhance the antioxidant capacity of blood, providing a protective effect against oxidative damage. By adding cinnamon to your diet, you can harness these benefits and support your body's natural defenses. Cinnamon has gained attention for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition for those managing diabetes. One of the key mechanisms is its potential to enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to utilize glucose more effectively. This can lead to improved blood sugar control. Research findings support this, with studies showing that cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve hemoglobin A1C, a marker of long-term glucose control. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology found that participants who consumed cinnamon experienced significant reductions in blood sugar levels. Considering cinnamon as a natural remedy could be a simple yet effective way to support your health. Adding cinnamon to your diet can offer significant cardiovascular benefits. Research suggests that cinnamon can help lower both total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels, which are crucial for maintaining heart health. Additionally, cinnamon has been shown to help reduce blood pressure, further supporting cardiovascular function. Heart health is vital for preventing heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. To incorporate cinnamon into heart-healthy recipes, consider adding it to oatmeal, smoothies, or even savory dishes like stews. You can also sprinkle it on fruits or yogurt for a nutritious snack. By making cinnamon a regular part of your meals, you can take proactive steps toward a healthier heart. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily meals is both easy and delicious. Start your day by adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a warm, comforting flavor. You can also enhance smoothies with a dash of cinnamon for an extra nutritional boost. For lunch or dinner, consider adding cinnamon to savory dishes like chili, stews, or roasted vegetables to create a unique depth of flavor. Don't forget about baking. Cinnamon is a classic ingredient in desserts like apple pie and cinnamon rolls. Its versatility shines across various cuisines, from Middle Eastern to Indian dishes. Get creative and experiment with cinnamon in both sweet and savory recipes to elevate your meals. In summary, cinnamon is a remarkable spice that offers a multitude of health benefits. From its powerful antioxidant properties to its ability to regulate blood sugar and support heart health, incorporating cinnamon into your daily diet can significantly enhance your well-being. Remember, even small changes, like adding cinnamon to your meals, can lead to substantial health improvements. We encourage you to explore the various ways to enjoy this versatile spice in both sweet and savory dishes. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family for more health tips. Together, let's embrace the benefits of cinnamon and work towards a healthier lifestyle.